most importantly, grow up time. Good luck to all our teams. Maraming salamat po. And let's go.
Ayan, thank you so much. Nag-last for yung president namin, no? Alright, for the safety briefing and tournament rules and mechanics, I would like to call on our former president, Engineer Eric Barbosa. Sir, safety briefing and tournament rules and mechanics. Ayan, good morning, everyone! Pinila ko magiging safety briefing. Well, anyway, we all have a safety statement. And remind ko lang yung mga exits natin. As we all aware, scatter naman yung exit doors. So, in case of emergency, you will receive the password outside. And the toilet is also at the here at this side of the stadium. So, in case of any accident, hopefully wala naman wala. You can look for me as your first leader at for now, ako lang po, pero later on we will have each other. And management pa. Okay, maybe we all have a safety moment later. Thank you so much. Ayan, for the tournament rules and mechanics, I think tawagin natin yung Enzo. Asan si Enzo? Nawawala. Ay, nagka-cameraman ka? Sir, yung rules and mechanics. Ha? Si Sir Junel. Junel! Sir, rules and mechanics po ng game. Junel!
Tatlong rounds ang tayo. First round, hahatiin natin sa dalawang rounds. So, bracket po natin. Ako laban ng tapos bracket po natin. Kukunin natin yung bracket. Clear top all. Top 1. So, ulit tayo ng mga so, just give our best.
Alright, thank you, Sir Junel. May mga question po ba tayo? Alright. Para mas maliwanag, mas fair yung game natin. For the game matching briefing, ikaw nakalagay dito eh. Mr. Loren.
Sorry naman